In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Shopify store from beginner to pro in 2.5. This comprehensive tutorial will walk you through the steps necessary to create a polished and professional-looking online store that captures the essence of your brand. So, whether you're just starting or looking to elevate your existing store, stick around as we delve into the world of Shopify design. Let's kick things off by heading to your Shopify dashboard. You'll want to log into your Shopify account, and from the homepage, let's navigate our way to My Store. This is your central hub where all your store's magic happens. Once there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the menu and click on Online Store. This section is where we'll focus our energies today. It opens up a world of customization options and themes that you can use to make your store stand out. Now, let's move on to selecting a theme by clicking on the Theme Library. This library houses several themes that control the overall look and feel of your online store. Think of themes as the foundation of your store's design. But don't sweat it if you're unsure about making the right choice. Shopify's theme library offers a glimpse of various styles and functionalities to fit diverse needs. To simplify further customization, we'll explore the Design Your Store in Seconds feature. This tool is a time saver, and it provides a swift, interactive method to get your store up and running. By using this feature, you can experiment with different setups and see instant changes to your store's design, allowing you to focus on what feels intuitively right for your brand. Next, we'll explore the broader selection of themes by choosing Visit Theme Store. This will take you to Shopify's main theme marketplace. Here you'll notice a plethora of themes catered to varying business needs, all with preview options that let you explore how each could look in your store. To narrow these down, focus on these filtering choices at the top: free, paid, industry, catalog size, and features. Start by clicking free if you're looking at options with no upfront cost. But remember, these are just as professional looking and reliable as paid themes, particularly for those starting or wanting to experiment before committing to a particular aesthetic. Then try paid if you believe a premium theme could better encapsulate your brand's identity and are open to investing in unique functionalities and designs. With the industry filter, you can drill down themes relevant to your business niche, such as fashion, technology, or handmade goods, ensuring your layout and style speak directly to your target audience. Don't forget to set the catalog size to match your inventory. Whether you house a collection of a few items or an extensive array, this will help tailor functionality to suit your needs. Lastly, the Features filter allows you to select themes with specific capabilities, like video integration, slideshow headers, or infinite scroll, catering to personalized functionalities you may desire. And there you have it. In just a few dedicated steps, you've learned how to effectively design your Shopify store from beginner to pro. Take these steps and opportunities to explore various designs and features, and soon you'll have a sleek, professional storefront that perfectly aligns with your brand's essence, ready to showcase your products to the world. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.